Hi, you guys. We're going to be writing systems of equations with our yellow foldable, okay? Remember that the turnaround phrases means that you have to turn around your numbers depending on what it says. So turnaround phrases more than or less than, okay? So just have those in mind. The length of the rectangle is equal to triple the width. Which system of equations can be used to find the dimensions of the rectangle if the perimeter is 86 centimeters? So I know that yesterday we were doing like the X and the Y and knowing the value, but in this case, I'm just going to write the equation, okay? So the first equation says the length of the rectangle is equal to triple the width. So that's one equation. The other equation is which system of equations can be used to find the dimensions of the rectangle if the perimeter is 86 centimeters? Well, remember that yesterday we were talking that to find the perimeter, you have to have a width and a length and a width and a length. You have to add all the sides. Well, an equation is 2 widths plus 2 lengths, and it's going to be the 86 for your perimeter. Okay, so that's your first equation. The second equation says the length of the rectangle is equal to triple the width. The length is equal to triple the width. Triple the width. Okay, well, remember that we could leave it like that because that is an equation because it has an equal sign, or we could turn it into and put it as a matrix. Remember that we have to put the 3W to one side. So minus 3W minus 3W. So negative 3W plus L is going to equal 0 because those will cancel. So it could be negative 3W plus the length equals 0. Or you could just leave it as this equation, okay? I'm not going to solve it because I don't want to do the matrix in the calculator. Setting it up, you're able to look for the solution in your matrix. And I don't want to make this video super long. Okay, number 2. The Frosty ice cream shop sells sundaes for $2 and banana splits for $3. On a hot summer day, the shop sold 8 more sundaes than banana splits and made 156. So they sell sundaes for $2 and banana splits for $3 and they make $156. So here we're talking about money. We're talking about $2 sundaes plus $3 banana splits with a total of 156. Okay. It says that the shop sold 8 more sundaes. 8 more sundaes than banana splits. So we could say 8 more sundaes than banana splits. So sundaes were more. So sundaes are more, and it's 8 plus the amount of banana splits. That's one way to put it. And they also says that sundaes sold more than bananas with the difference of 8. So however you want to put the 8 more sundaes than banana splits. Oh, that is a turnaround. More than, it's a turnaround phrase. But it's still going to give us the same kind of equation. Okay. Number 3. The perimeter of a rectangle wooden deck is 90 feet. the deck's length is 5 less than 4 times the width. Which system of linear equations can be used to determine the dimension in feet? Okay, so remember, we have to cut both equations. Cut the sentence so we could get 2 equations. The perimeter of the deck is 90 feet. We talked about the perimeter being 2 width and 2 length. So that one is easy because we know it's 2 width plus 2 lengths equals 90 feet. The deck's length is 5 feet less than 4 times the width. Here's your turnaround phrase right here, less than. So we could write it as the length equals 4 times the width minus 5 feet. Because the length is 5 feet or whatever 4 times the width is. It is. So 4 times the width minus 5. There's my turnaround phrase. Could leave it like this, or we could put it into standard form, solving for constant. So minus 4w minus 4w, negative 4w. And the reason that I'm putting negative 4w because the w is on this side, plus L equals negative 5 because this will disappear. So it would be negative 4w plus length equals negative 5 because the difference is less than 5. So that's why it's a negative 5. And now you could put it. Or it depends what kind of equation they give you, but either or will work, okay? Number 4, the price of an entertainment system at Walmart is $220 less than twice the price of the same system at Target. The difference price between the system at Walmart and Target is $175. Which system of linear equations can be used to determine the price of the system at each store? So it says the price of the entertainment system at Walmart is $220 less than twice the price system at Target. That's my first equation. So Walmart is $220 less than twice, remember, turnaround phrase, twice the price of the same, twice the price the system at Target. So Walmart is equals sign 220 less than twice the price of Target, twice the price of Target minus the $220. That would be my first equation. Well, I could put it and solve it for a standard form. So I just get rid of the negative, the 2t by making it to negative 2t plus w equals $220. Okay, so that's my first equation. The difference price between the system at Walmart and Target, it's $175. So there's your other equation. What's the difference? Subtraction. So the subtraction between Walmart and Target is going to be 175. So you could write that equation. The difference between Target and Walmart is $175. And then you find out the answer by using a matrix. Number 5, Marcos had 3 more quarters and nickels. The total value of the coins is $2.55. Write its system of equations to find how many nickels and quarter he has. Like I said, I'm just writing the equation so you guys could do it on the matrix. Marcos has 3 more quarters than nickels, and the total value is $2.55. Well, 3 more quarters than nickels. So quarters, you have more. You have 3 more quarters than nickels. So how can I write that? Quarters equals nickels plus 3 more. Because you have 3 more quarters than nickels. So you have more quarters and you have 3 more. Well, the same thing, that you have the difference of quarters and nickels is 3 coins. And we know the value of a quarter. The value of a quarter is 25 cents plus the value of a nickel, which is 5 cents, equals $2.55. And that would be the equation for the second part of this problem. The last problem. Matt and Ming are selling fruit for a school fundraiser. Customers can buy small boxes of oranges and large boxes of oranges. Matt sold 3 small boxes of oranges and 14 large boxes of oranges for a total of 203. Ming sold 11 small boxes of oranges and 11 large boxes of oranges for a total of $220. Find the cost of each of the 1 small box of oranges and 1 large box of oranges. This one's a bit easier because it says that Matt sold 3 small boxes of oranges and 14 largest boxes of oranges for $203. So that's my first equation. 3 small boxes plus 14 large boxes equals 203. And I'm doing a cursive L just so it won't get mixed up with the 1. My second one, it says that Ming sold 11 boxes, small boxes of oranges and 11 large boxes of orange for a total of $220. So 11 small boxes plus 11 large boxes for a total of $220. Now you could put that in the matrix and find the answer, your solution, and then tell me what the solution talks about, or what is the value of your S and what is your value of the L. I hope that you're able to remember this because you're going to be working on your own for 10 problems. Thank you.